Hello all, welcome to Limitless Learning Series Part 42. Hello Saidi ma'am.
Hello.
So today's question on behalf of the parents is, how do I help my child become independent?
So, to make your child independent, you have to give your child independent tasks.
Okay.
And small their own choices.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, you can ask your child to dress up independently.
Okay.
That is one thing. So, when you are going out or when they are going for a school, ask them, okay, this is your uniform. I have kept it outside and you can wear it.
Okay.
So, when you give choices, that time don't give them choices also, which color dress do you want to wear?
Okay.
You can ask them, do you want to wear today red color dress or
Okay.
black color dress?
Okay.
So this helps to give, for that age group which we are talking
So
about.
limited choices.
So limited choices.
Okay.
So this helps them to give, that, okay, I need to tell mama only, am I going to wear this color or that color?
Mm-hmm.
So this helps child to give answer more quickly without, throwing tantrums.
Too many tantrums. Okay.
tantrums.
Okay.
So that is first thing. Now when you are doing that time you need to understand that do we have sufficient time, because at that age when we are talking about preschoolers, that time they are going to take enough time.
Obviously. Yes.
So if they are going to put on their own shoes, you have to have 5 to 7 minutes in your hand.
Obviously, because that
You
much time-
cannot just do
Yes.
that. You have put on your shoes and you are ready and you are waiting near lift and your child is still, checking out.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So you have to understand that. Third is that you have to let them choose their own snacks. You can start from there.
Okay.
So put on their own clothes, then choosing their own snacks. That what do you want today in the tiffin? So if they are saying idli, give them idli.
Okay.
So something, there also you can give two options. Do you want pasta or you want noodles?
Okay.
You
So
want
we can just give them limited choices,
choices.
healthy choices, which you
healthy
want to
choices
give
which you want to give them.
Yes.
So it has to be, it's not that everything independent means choices means all kind of choices you are giving.
Mhm.
Then, every day they will want pizza only.
That is yes.
So you have to ask them questions.
Okay.
That, okay, you want this or you want that?
Mhm.
And then in that, so this is, chosen independence. You can say that.
Yes.
That you are giving that particular options to them.
Also, so even your work
Yes.
is getting done, and even they are
also.
independent. Okay.
So next is that, offer them enough time, which I have already mentioned, and avoid perfectionism. So for example, at their age, means whatever preschoolers we are talking about, at that particular age, perfection parents should not expect.
Okay.
So if you are giving them any particular task, if you are asking them that bacha go and bring me a glass of water, they are going to spill it
Spill
somewhere.
the water, obviously. Yes.
So you should not alert them that time. Otherwise, next time, they will not want
they
to
refuse to do
they
that.
refuse to do that.
That's a very
So
important
you
point.
have to always remember that perfectionism at this age will not happen also.
And we should not expect that
Expect
also.
also.
Correct.
So you have to always remember all these
Okay.
points when we are talking about independent child.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful insights. I hope parents, you also like this series. Stay tuned for more. Do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
You.